welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you 4 cards that I made using one stamp set from CC Design. So these are kind of like 50s vibe inspired cards. I made all of these cards using this Rockabilly Gals stamp set. They are absolutely adorable. I think I got them sometime early this year. I think it came out last year or something like that. But I saw these and I'm like, oh my god, they're so cute. And yeah, definitely I bought them and I wanted to make a whole set. I'm not using the same kits or papers for all of them, but yeah, I just want to make like a set of cards with all of them. Okay, I'm going to start with this one first. So this one is a pretty simple one, the simplest of them all, sort of like, because it has a big negative space here. And these are made using an old digital collection from, I think, Wishing Well Design. She sells her kits and papers at Digital Press store, I think. I'll try to link it down below. So I layered a few pattern papers here. I inked up using my Memento ink in Tuxedo black, and then I colored her up using Copic markers and also Finecolour markers. If you can see, there's a shiny silvery thing there. It's her buckles. Yeah, I just wanted to have like a metal effect there. So I used my jelly roll for that, my metallic jelly roll. I also put a few pearl gems here, just scattered around. And then You Wow Me is a sentiment set from MFT. And then on the bottom here, I die cut this kind of like border here. This is from MFT, and all the rectangles are layered and die cut using Lawn Fawn's rectangle stackables. Okay. Second card is this one. Absolutely adorable. I love her and her headband here. I colored her up using my Copic and Finecolour markers, and then I just layer a few pattern papers here. I have this stitch rectangle. This one is from MFT. They have the A2 rectangle stacks, and then I layered this dash and dot scallop rectangle, and also just a dash and dot rectangle on top of that. And I have this really beautiful ornate kind of oval die from Alinacrafts, and then layer it with another oval on top. And then this is one of those muted gold cardstock paper that I have. And then this hello stamp is from MFT. So here's a close-up look on her and on the card too. Pretty simple looking, but I really love the paper. Initially, this wasn't the paper that I wanted to use. I forgot which papers that I wanted to use. So what I usually do, I think I mentioned this before too, is like I color everything. Even though I put like a little note on there, I kind of lost track on which papers that I wanted to use. And then I just found this and I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty close with her dress. And then after I finished it, and then I remember I wanted to use a kit from Echo Park. But this turned out alright. This turned out cute, so that's fine. Okay, the third one is this one. This has a little bit of a country feel to it. I love it. It's not something that I normally gravitate towards. I have this paper pack from Cartabella, if I'm not mistaken. It's kind of like it looks a little bit busy, but actually they coordinate. I think I'm really okay with this, just the busyness and everything. But because the vibe is really like almost vintage 50s feel, so I really like it. I colored her up using my Copic markers for her skin and then fine color markers for the others. And then I put a thank you stamp there using a stamp from MFT. I just cut the label here, and then I have this tag die from my stash. I just put it there along with this glittery orange ribbon. Then I just layer some pattern papers here. The black rectangle is from MFT. There's stacks. There's stitch rectangle stacks die set. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's really absolutely cute. On the inside, they're all blank on the inside, by the way. The last one is this truly adorable one. I think this is my favorite from all the bunch of cards that I made using the set. It says you're so cute here. I love it. This is from MFT. I'm just obsessed with MFT sentiment sets. I buy them all the time. Yeah, when it comes to excuse me, when it comes to character stamps, MFT, CC Design, Somewhat Girl, they're right up my alley. But sentiments, I always go for MFT. So this is an older collection from Laura Passage of Wishing Well Design, I think. And then I just simply die cut this rectangle from Lawn Fawn and then layered a few pattern papers here. And I used this blue gingham ribbon there just to make it look extra country. I colored her up using my Copic markers and fine color markers, and if you can see on her glasses, I use I think I use glossy accents. Yeah, glossy accents. And I die cut this fishtail banner from my stash, and that's it. Absolutely adorable. I love these sets. Let me know if you have a favorite or if you like to see other styles from me. And I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!